Hey guys, welcome. Like I said, not going to be here today for class, so just recording this real quick to show you what you should be working on before we meet again on Friday. All right. So if you're on the homepage of Canvas, just click on Modules, and we're going to open up our Google slide for the day. All right. So you should be at week 7, day 1, hurricanes, day 3. Okay. All right. So once you have this open, just click on the Wednesday, Friday link, so W/F, to pull it open. All right. So from there, just like we normally do, start with a little warm-up, simple little Google form. And the question, which is, remember to put your name in. Maybe number here. There we go. So the question is, what is the difference between weather and climate? Put a sentence frame in here for you to work from. So weather is what? Climate is what? Okay, try to answer that question because we're trying to really think about, what are the differences between weather and climate? How would we define those two terms? Okay, so we should have a good working understanding of those two things. Okay. Then after that, what you want to work on, watch this really short video about the differences between weather and climate. Just kind of gives you a short snap of what those two things are. Okay. And then next part is to read this article about what's the difference between weather and climate. It's a NOAA article. And it should take you about 10 minutes to read or less. It's not too long. Okay, so it should be pretty easy. Read through that, and then you want to work on what we've done before, a notice wonder slide. So just write down one thing that you noticed, one thing that you wondered. Make sure to put your name top left-hand corner. Somebody's already on that slide. Please just get a different one. Okay. Once you've done that, and feel free to work through this at your own pace because we are going to be kind of at different points. All right. So once you're done with that, please do give some of your peers some feedback. So go to slide 25 and copy one of the emoji faces and paste it onto at least 3 other people's post. Okay. And then from there, then you should continue working on the hurricane module that we've been doing the past couple of days. So at this point, you should be done with at least the first 3 activities and continuing and transitioning to working on activity 4, hurricane hazards and impacts. If you finished up hurricane or activity 4, then move to the last activity, which is future risk. Okay. The last one really looks at the climate implications of our changing climate and how that's changing things like hurricanes going forward. Okay, so definitely an interesting one to look at. All right. And as always, if you've not registered for Concord for whatever reason, please look at the other slides in here that show you directions on how to sign up and register, and then the class code to join that class in Concord, which is just my last name of Warner. All right. Awesome. Okay, guys. So that is what you should be working on for today. And then when we come and meet back up on Friday, we will have a Zoom meeting. And I'm going to have you start working on the Unit 4 project. And I'll explain what you'll be doing for that. All right. I will see you then.